Yo, what's going on YouTube? In this video today, this is a video that I've been meaning to do for like a year now. So I ended up getting my PC last summer and I set it up and everything, but I never recorded the video and I was just prolonging it and delaying it. So today I was like, you know what, let me just edit it and then do a video. So here I'm just literally showing all of the specs that I got. I'll put them all in the description below. But when I was doing the video, when I was creating the video, I didn't realize it was this bad. So as you can see, the lighting is really bad. I'll know for future reference that I gotta make it look way better. But in this one, right now I'm showing the motherboard, and then I think I was having some technical difficulties, so I ended up cutting it out. So some of these parts are gonna be cut out or sped up because it was taking too long. So like this, I'm just showing everything that's inside the motherboard box, and then in the next clip, it might be on top. Yeah, maybe it's on top, and now I'm putting in whatever this is. But yeah, I'll literally put everything I have inside of the inside of the description below. I also what was I gonna say? I feel like there was something else I was gonna say, but I don't really remember. But yeah, as you can see, I'm working on it, and I was actually struggling a lot in this video. But in the end, you'll see how it'll cut from me. It'll cut from me installing the fan to me just recording a whole video of the PC. But I ended up recording a video of the PC just now, right before I finished editing the video. But the issue I had when I first built the PC was I didn't watch any videos prior. So as I was putting the pieces together, I would put one piece together and then I would watch a video, and then that video wouldn't have the same exact specs, so then I had to watch another video. So it took like a weekend or two for me to actually get the PC set up, but it was actually easy. It's just that I didn't know what I was doing. So then, as you can see, I'm messing with the other stuff, but it's taking longer than it needs to because I have no idea what I'm doing, which I previously stated. But also, there were certain parts where I was trying to put the PC together and then also show it in the video, but then I was messing up because I didn't have I didn't know what to do. So what I would end up doing was, as I said, watching the video, and then I'm like, okay, this is too hard to get on camera and then get a good angle. Look at this part. You see how I got the screwdriver all in the camera. Like, that's a horrible angle. But then I was like, you know what, I'm just, at the very end though, I said to myself, I'm gonna just put it together and then I'll end up just showing the final result. So that's what I did a year later, and then you'll see at the end I just have the whole video, what do you call it, I'll have the whole video of just the inside of the PC. But as you can see, I said I had this video ready a whole year ago, but I just never posted it or just edited it. So now that I finally did it, I was like, let me post it even though it's a year late. But yeah, so I don't really have anything else to say, but if anything, just sit and enjoy the video. I'm sorry for the bad lighting. I'm sorry for how the angle is. It's actually really bad, but this was like my first video on I think on camera. I was trying to make it look all professional, like trying to make it perfect, which actually made it look even worse. And you see how dark it is in the angles. Make sure you stay until the end of the video to see the whole finished product. Oh, I also forgot to say that because I was struggling with putting the PC together, it wasn't turning on, but that's because I think I had the GPU backwards. I had something backwards, I don't remember the name, and I ended up going back to Micro Center and asking the guy to help me because I literally had no idea. And then also the cables were all over the place, so he ended up cleaning that up for me. So shout out to him. I don't remember his name, but he helped me all the way through, and I appreciate that. But now I think I'm done. So yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. Again, sorry for the bad lighting, because as I'm watching it with y'all, I'm just looking, I'm like, dang, like I could have made this look way better. And yeah, besides that, thank y'all.